Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about Marsun wicker baskets, their different sizes, what's their use, and what exactly are the advantages and disadvantages of it. So it generally comes in a 450 mm and 600 mm width, which is basically your 1.5 feet and 2 feet of width. As you can see right behind me, it comes with an auto lock system, which means that when you pull it out, if you have extended it too much, it's not going to get out of its channel and fall. It's got a pretty good depth. It is generally used to keep your onions and potatoes, because wicker is great to provide natural ventilation for both of these things, and that is needed so that they can be kept fresh and their longevity can be maintained. So the Marsun wicker basket come in two standards. The one that is the standard one is a combination of your steam beech wood and wrought iron, and this is the premium one, which is basically just wicker and steam beech. This is a better material because again it provides natural ventilation to the vegetables that are kept inside it, and it is also a material that is of a higher standard, and it looks great in the kitchen as well. One of my favorite things about this is that it can actually be used without the outer shutter, so it adds to the look of the kitchen and gives it a very nice rustic look as well. If you want to cover it up, you can cover it up as well, but that's not suggested because then you're basically cutting out the aeration of the vegetables for which you've taken the wicker basket, so it kind of cancels out the purpose. And to top it off, if you're a baker, you can also use it to keep your freshly baked goods and then store them once they've cooled down, and it's a very nice natural way of doing that. If you like this product and you would like to buy it, you can go to our website and search for it over there. All the links would be available below. Please leave any questions that you have in the comments, and we will hopefully be back with a new video about new accessories and internal fittings that you can put in your kitchen. Thank you.